Meaning of infinity.
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 Infinity. Infinity refers to a concept of having no limit or being endless. It is a mathematical term used to describe the concept of a number that goes on forever without reaching an end. In physics, infinity is used to express the idea of a boundless universe where space and time have no limit. Likewise, infinity is often used in philosophy to describe concepts beyond human comprehension, such as the infinite nature of the universe or the infinite potential of the human mind. In short, infinity represents limitless possibilities and potential, without any boundaries or constraints.